negotiate every day of your life, but school never taught you how. From asking for a raise to splitting the bill, negotiation is everywhere. Yet most people freeze, fumble, or fold. Why? Because schools skip the one skill that could change your life. You learned geometry, grammar, and the periodic table, but not how to ask for what you want, not how to say no, not how to read body language, anchor a price, or walk away. Negotiation isn't just for lawyers, it's for roommates, parents, and TikTok collabs. So why don't schools teach it? Because negotiation is messy. It's emotional. It's power dynamics. Teaching it means teaching students to challenge authority, question rules, and advocate for themselves. That's risky in a system built on obedience and standardization. Plus, it's hard to grade. There's no right answer in a negotiation due strategy, psychology, and confidence. Let's break it down. Anchoring the first number set in a negotiation sets the tone. Be a TNA your best alternative to a negotiated agreement. Know it? Or get steamroll. Framing how you present your offer changes how it's received. These aren't just business tricks, they're survival skills. Yet most people learn them too late after a bad job offer, a failed relationship, or a lost deal. Imagine if kids learned to negotiate lunchroom conflicts, if teens could navigate curfews with calm persuasion, if graduates could walk into interviews knowing their worth. Negotiation builds confidence, empathy, and resilience. It's not just about winning, it's about understanding. So here's your challenge. Negotiate something today. Ask for a better deal. Say no with grace. Comment below. What's the hardest thing you've ever had to negotiate? Let's talk tactics, and maybe one day, schools will teach us how to speak up, not just sit down.
Subscribe.